Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all another sick carbon fiber upgrade you can do to the interior of your BMW. If done well, I'm a huge believer in too much carbon fiber can't really be a bad thing, as long as you do it well and don't overdo it. So as you can see, I have my shift knob, my handles over there, everything is wrapped. I have my parking brake handle right here. I have a good amount of carbon fiber accessories in my vehicle, and I really feel like it makes it just look overall more modern and more sporty. And so right here, guys, this box holds the next upgrade that I've been wanting to do for a while now. Honestly, I just put it off, and yeah, I think now it's time. So my little armrest here has a little bit of cracking going on, and honestly, rather than just replacing this whole thing, since the rest of the leather is honestly fine, rather than replacing this, I thought, why not try to find like a carbon fiber upgrade for this, because I think that'd look really sick with just the overall flow of everything going on right here. As we have the handle and all of this wrapped just leading into the shift knob, I think it'd look pretty sick. Believe it or not, guys, they actually make a carbon fiber lid that you can put on top of this. So that's what I went ahead and purchased right here. Yeah, let's go ahead and open this thing up. Cool, so we go ahead and pop this open, and here we are. Not really a whole lot of padding in there, but at least it's covered with this little foam pad so it doesn't break. Cool, now let's go ahead and see how this thing looks. Okay. Oh wow, guys, that actually looks freaking sick. And you can see, guys, this thing looks like 100% legit. It is heavily clear coated to ensure that it's basically gonna be good for years to come. It's not gonna scratch easily or fade or anything like that. I'm holding it right here outside to just show y'all how nice this looks. I mean, the carbon fiber on here looks basically the same as my M3 mirror caps I have on there, and those are actually legit, like 100% real. And I have it laid over right there just so you can see how it's basically going to look at the end. And to install this, it's pretty simple. You literally just put it over the pre-existing lid and just kind of snap it on into place. And we're going to go ahead and go from the front to the back, since the front has more of a hook shape to it, and the back can kind of just go into place. If you need to, you guys can actually open this up and slide it in, but I highly recommend you install the front first. You basically just go ahead and come in from here. Since this hooks more, you put it from the front and just work its way back. And yeah, it's already on, guys. And guys, it really is the little things in the car that really make such a big difference. And I don't even think that's a little thing. I think that just looks so much better overall. If someone were to look at that, there's no way they would think that's 40 bucks. They would easily think that that's hundreds of dollars just for that piece alone. I think it's an amazing way to spice up the interior. I 100% recommend getting this little armrest cover, and you can't even tell it's a cover. It looks 100% legit, like it's the armrest on the vehicle. So I highly recommend you guys buy one, and you should go down below and purchase one yourself. If you guys like the way this thing looks, go ahead and smash that thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions at all. I'll leave a link down below in the description where I purchased mine. If you're not subscribed to the channel, smash that subscribe button so you can stay in the loop on all these sick upgrade videos. I make these videos at the end of the day to help y'all. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.